I am happy to be here again to share another way to tie amazing fast edge wrap with my Ashoke material. Alright, so guys, I'll be showing you the steps to do this right now. So get your material, your rubber, your office pin, and let's do this. So, my beautiful people out there, we're going to be doing this. I used to say I think always that this is simple. This is what you can do by yourself. Really serious one. You can actually do that. So just get your material, watch this video, focus your eyes, don't mind my talkie, just focus your eyes and watch and watch, and you're gonna get it. You're gonna love the outcome. If you don't have ashoke, use another gili material. You can actually achieve this style with another material. So you just divide your material into two equal lengths as seen in the video. Watch so that you can get what I'm talking about. Then you pleat the edge, the first edge of it that is opened, you pleat it like this. Then you secure it with your rubber band. That is what I'm doing right now in the video. Just secure it with your rubber band, elastic band. Then you dip it in like this, and you're going to be placing it from the back of your head. Then you grab the excess at the front with your elastic band. So just focus your eyes and watch. It is very simple. In less than 5 minutes or 5 minutes max or 6 minutes max, you are done with this edge wrap, and you're going to rock it anywhere you're going. Seriously. So I'm trying to, after grabbing the excess, I'm trying to secure it with my rubber band, right? To get it secured. Okay, so I'm still securing it, I'm still on it. I'll say, if you have not subscribed, if you have not followed my page, do well and subscribe to my channel. Follow my page for more airdrop tutorials like this DIY. Okay, so the next step after grabbing the front with the elastic band is just to, pleats and pleats and pleats down. That is just what I'm doing there. I'm just splitting down. I'm just folding it. Okay, just fold bit by bit. Take it and start pleating it. So after you've folded it a bit at the middle, just come to the side and you pleat down. All right, you do that to the first edge and you pin down. Please, when you are securing, if you are using ashoke, ashoke is somehow thick, so use as many pins as you can, like 2 3 4 pins, to get it secure so that it doesn't fall off unexpectedly, right? So that is that. Then I'm going to the other edge to do the same thing I do here to the other edge. So if you can bear with if you can tell me now, you can see that this is actually simple, right, and very fast. So you just split and pleat down the other side here too, right? Just split down. Don't mind my voice, so I'm trying to, hair. So you do the same thing to this place, adjust it, make it aligned to your ability, all right? So that is what I'm doing, and I will be doing what, guys? I'll be securing it down with my office pin again. Then I will adjust it to make it stand and look ready for that part. You get? So guys, at this point, I think I'm almost done. Yeah, then I am done. I'm already sweating trying to clean that off. So that's that. Then you can also push it up at the middle to give it, so that is what I'm doing there, and I am done. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Try it, comment, like, share, follow. So